Here is a beginner-level regional manager quiz that covers compliance and regional regulations, cross-branch performance monitoring, and large-scale employee development and training. Let's go. Question 1. What is the primary purpose of compliance regulations in a regional business setting? A. To ensure legal operations and avoid penalties. B. To create unnecessary paperwork for managers. C. To allow branches to operate without oversight. And D. To limit business growth. Answer: to ensure legal operations and avoid penalties. Question 2. Which of the following is a key responsibility of a regional manager in compliance management? A. Allowing branches to create their own compliance policies. B. Ensuring all branches follow local laws and regulations. C. Ignoring regional government policies. And D. Reducing compliance checks to save time. Answer: ensuring all branches follow local laws and regulations. Question 3. What is the best way for a regional manager to track compliance across multiple locations? A. Ignoring regional differences in regulations. B. Relying only on corporate compliance policies. C. Conducting regular audits and compliance assessments. And D. Allowing branches to self-monitor without checks. Answer: conducting regular audits and compliance assessments. Question 4. Which factor is most important in ensuring compliance across different locations? A. Reducing compliance requirements to speed up operations. B. Letting each branch handle compliance in its own way. C. Ignoring compliance issues unless they cause legal trouble. And D. Consistent training and enforcement of policies. Answer: consistent training and enforcement of policies. Question 5. Why is cross-branch performance monitoring important for a regional manager? A. It helps identify strengths and weaknesses across locations. B. It creates unnecessary competition between branches. C. It prevents employees from working independently. And D. It reduces the need for branch-level decision-making. Answer: it helps identify strengths and weaknesses across locations. Question 6. What is a best practice for measuring performance across multiple locations? A. Allowing branches to set their own performance standards. B. Relying only on feedback from branch managers. C. Using key performance indicators, KPIs, and analytics. And D. Ignoring performance variations between locations. Answer: using key performance indicators, KPIs, and analytics. Question 7. What should a regional manager do when one branch consistently underperforms? A. Investigate the issue and implement targeted improvements. B. Immediately close the branch without review. C. Reduce investment in that location. And D. Ignore the issue if other branches are performing well. Answer: investigate the issue and implement targeted improvements. Question 8. Which performance metric is most useful for comparing branches? A. The age of the branch location. B. The number of employees in each branch. C. Only revenue, without considering customer feedback. And D. Sales growth, customer satisfaction, and operational efficiency. Answer: sales growth, customer satisfaction, and operational efficiency. Question 9. What is the main goal of large-scale employee training? A. To reduce the number of employees in each branch. B. To enhance skills and improve overall branch performance. C. To limit employee decision-making power. And D. To focus only on high-performing employees. Answer: to enhance skills and improve overall branch performance. Question 10. Which training method is most effective for employees across multiple locations? A. Allowing branches to decide if they want training. B. Relying only on individual learning without guidance. C. A combination of online and in-person training sessions. And D. Providing training only to management, not employees. Answer: a combination of online and in-person training sessions. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Why should regional managers invest in continuous employee development? A. To avoid spending on new employees. B. To make training programs look good on reports. C. To meet legal requirements only. And D. To improve employee productivity and retention rates. Answer: to improve employee productivity and retention rates. Question 12. Which factor is most important in ensuring employees apply their training? A. Providing training without follow-up. B. Encouraging practical application and regular assessments. C. Avoiding performance evaluations after training. And D. Reducing training frequency to cut costs. Answer: encouraging practical application and regular assessments. Question 13. Which approach helps a regional manager improve employee engagement across branches? A. Ignoring employee concerns. B. Limiting communication between employees and leadership. C. Reducing career growth opportunities. And D. Recognizing and rewarding employee achievements. Answer: recognizing and rewarding employee achievements. Question 14. How can a regional manager ensure compliance training is effective? A. Ignoring training completion rates. B. Providing training once and never reviewing it again. C. Conducting periodic assessments and refresher courses. And D. Allowing employees to opt out of mandatory training. Answer: conducting periodic assessments and refresher courses. Question 15. What is the most effective way to improve cross-branch performance? A. Comparing only revenue figures. B. Reducing tracking efforts to save time. C. Allowing each branch to operate without benchmarks. And D. Implementing a centralized reporting and analysis system. Answer: implementing a centralized reporting and analysis system. Question 16. Which compliance issue can cause serious problems for regional operations? A. Failure to follow labour laws and safety regulations. B. Hiring more employees than necessary. C. Expanding training programs for employees. And D. Offering bonuses to high-performing employees. Answer: failure to follow labour laws and safety regulations. Question 17. What is an effective way for a regional manager to monitor compliance? A. Relying only on reports from branch managers. B. Conducting surprise audits and policy reviews. C. Ignoring compliance until an issue arises. And D. Allowing employees to manage compliance independently. Answer: conducting surprise audits and policy reviews. Question 18. Which strategy ensures continuous learning for employees in a region? A. Limiting training to only new hires. B. Reducing training opportunities to cut costs. C. Providing career development programs and workshops. And D. Offering training only when performance declines. Answer: providing career development programs and workshops. Question 19. What should a regional manager focus on when evaluating cross-branch performance? A. Employee satisfaction surveys only. B. The number of employees hired per branch. C. The size of the office space in each branch. And D. Both qualitative, customer feedback, and quantitative, sales data measures. Answer: both qualitative, customer feedback, and quantitative, sales data measures. Question 20. How can a regional manager ensure regulatory compliance is followed across branches? A. Regular training, monitoring, and corrective actions. B. Assuming employees will follow regulations without training. C. Reducing compliance checks to avoid extra work. And D. Ignoring compliance policies unless legally required. Answer: regular training, monitoring, and corrective actions. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.